Tenen ga singi ha ka pratre go naitung uwe briew bla tipker teng ko mo anupam dev ula sha shoh ha Laban ha ki ar phongot ka kin hon runar ki bam ithu satia ha ka ba uni briew la min saw na ka te ga jing sha shoh ha ka be de ba ni ga jing ja ki pulit ka jela gi rang pen long ga jing wat bnya ya ka number kali jang ka we ka maruti car ya ka bla penan kam da ki ni ki runar na ka banta ban yo ka me ki halor ga ni ga jing ja ki pulit ki la ye kan du ru ya ka dor bar shnong but kar pa ki bekin long ki papet ngor bha na ka banta gi ni ki runar.
Yesterday, we have taken it very seriously, yesterday's assault. Basically, the vehicle number, they came into one Maruti and few bikes. The vehicle numbers were not immediately noticed. It was sudden attack and within few minutes they escaped. So we are collecting vehicle number. Once vehicle numbers are known, then identity of all these miscreants will be ascertained and we will take tough action against them. Today we have also meeting with Darbar now, and we have also appealed them also to in their respective locality to keep watch on the miscreants. And we from our side we will take tough action once the identity is ascertained. Today, 3 localities we have conducted meeting, interaction meeting with 12 number of Darbar Snows, and it will be followed by other locality. First, we will go to the peoples, appeal them, and today also they were saying that because of such and such reason, youths are resorting to these activities. So we will go deeper into the problems, and definitely with the help of community leaders, we will find some acceptable solution. Sure. We will strengthen our existing police public relation as well. We will lay lot of emphasis on the community policing.